Welcome, friends. We're going to talk about a powerful prayer that can attract the success and wealth you've been seeking. If you've ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly attract money and success, this prayer holds the key. The truth is, we all have the power to change our financial situation and our lives. But it begins with a shift in our thoughts, beliefs, and understanding. We're not talking about quick fixes or temporary solutions. This is about aligning yourself with abundance on a deeper level, attracting success, and bringing wealth into your life in a sustainable, meaningful way. Now, let's begin by understanding one of the most important principles in this process: the power of the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind is like a vast storehouse, and whatever we plant in it grows. It's constantly at work, shaping our reality based on the beliefs and thoughts we hold most often. If we repeatedly think about scarcity, lack, or financial struggle, the subconscious mind will respond by creating more of that in our lives. But if we begin to think in terms of abundance and success, we tap into a whole new realm of possibility. This prayer I'm going to share is designed to work directly with your subconscious mind. It's simple but incredibly powerful. The words of this prayer, when spoken with conviction and faith, have the ability to create a shift in your consciousness and align you with wealth and success. Let's start with the prayer itself. I am now a magnet for prosperity. My mind is open to unlimited opportunities. I attract money, success, and abundance effortlessly. Every day, in every way, I am becoming wealthier, healthier, and more successful. I am grateful for the wealth that is now manifesting in my life. Take a moment and let those words sink in. These are not just words, they are affirmations that send a powerful message to your subconscious mind. When repeated with genuine belief, they begin to reshape your inner reality, which in turn influences your outer reality. Now, you might be wondering, how does this prayer actually work? Let's break it down. The first part of the prayer says, I am now a magnet for prosperity. By declaring this, you're affirming that prosperity is not just something you want, it's something you are actively attracting. You're becoming a magnet for it. You see, the universe responds to your energy. When you radiate the energy of abundance, the universe has no choice but to mirror that back to you in the form of opportunities, resources, and wealth. The next part of the prayer is equally powerful. My mind is open to unlimited opportunities. How often do we close ourselves off to new opportunities simply because we think we're not worthy or capable? This part of the prayer invites you to open your mind, to be receptive to the endless possibilities that are always available to you. Wealth doesn't just come from one place, it comes from many sources. When your mind is open to those opportunities, you begin to see the world in a new light, one full of potential and possibility. The next affirmation is, I attract money, success, and abundance effortlessly. This is where you shift from efforting to allowing. So often, we try to force things to happen. We work hard, hustle, and push, believing that success comes only through struggle. But when you make the decision to believe that abundance flows to you effortlessly, you remove the resistance. You stop fighting against the flow of prosperity and allow it to come to you naturally. Every day, in every way, I am becoming wealthier, healthier, and more successful. This is a statement of continuous growth. It's a reminder that prosperity isn't a one-time event, it's a continuous journey. Every day, in every way, you are becoming more aligned with success and abundance. You are evolving, and as you evolve, your capacity to attract greater wealth and success grows exponentially. Finally, the prayer concludes with, I am grateful for the wealth that is now manifesting in my life. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to even greater abundance. When you express gratitude for what you have, you open the floodgates for more to flow into your life. Gratitude sends a signal to the universe that you are ready to receive, that you are not only deserving of abundance but that you are acknowledging it as it shows up in your life. When you repeat this prayer consistently, there are a few things that happen. First, your thoughts start to shift. The more you focus on abundance, the more you notice opportunities for prosperity. Your confidence increases because you begin to believe that success is not only possible but inevitable. You start to see wealth in places you never noticed before. Secondly, as you speak the words of this prayer, you are affirming to your subconscious mind that you are deserving of wealth. So often, we have limiting beliefs about money. We believe that money is hard to come by, that there's never enough, or that we don't deserve it. These beliefs hold us back from attracting abundance. But when you say this prayer with belief, you are reprogramming those limiting beliefs and replacing them with a mindset of abundance. But there's one more crucial element to all of this: action. This prayer is not just a magical formula that will bring money without you doing anything. It's a tool to align your mind with prosperity, but you must also take inspired action. The universe works in partnership with you. When you start seeing opportunities arise, it's up to you to take the necessary steps toward them. Whether it's pursuing a new business idea, investing in yourself through learning or skills development, or simply being open to new ways of earning, your action is what helps the prayer manifest. One of the most powerful aspects of this prayer is that it works whether you believe in it fully or not. The key is consistency and repetition. You may not see instant results, but as you repeat the prayer daily, your belief in it grows stronger, and you begin to notice changes in your life. Things will start shifting in subtle ways, and before you know it, you'll find that prosperity is flowing to you effortlessly. I also want to emphasize the importance of your inner state. The prayer works best when you speak it from a place of calm and faith. If you say the words while feeling anxious or doubtful, it's unlikely to have the desired effect. Instead, find a quiet space where you can focus your mind, breathe deeply, and say the prayer with full belief that it is already happening. This prayer is not about asking for something you don't have, it's about recognizing the abundance that already exists within you and in the universe. The power to attract wealth is within you right now. You are a magnet for prosperity, and the moment you believe that, everything begins to shift. I encourage you to take this prayer seriously. Don't just say the words, feel them. Imagine yourself already living the life of abundance that you desire. Picture the wealth, the success, and the opportunities that are waiting for you. Trust that they are already on their way. Over time, as you align yourself with this prayer and embody its message, you'll start to see the results. Your life will reflect the energy you put out. You'll begin attracting the opportunities, the people, and the resources that will bring you the financial freedom and success you've been longing for. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them, believing them, and living them. By practicing this, you align yourself with the energy of prosperity, which opens the doors to a world of opportunities. I'd like to thank you for being here today. If this prayer resonates with you and you believe it can bring positive changes into your life, I invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to share how this prayer has impacted you and what changes you've noticed in your life. If you found value in this content, please show your support by liking this video. It's a simple yet powerful way to let me know that this content is helping you. I'd also love to have you subscribe to the channel so that you can continue receiving more insights, prayers, and wisdom that can guide you toward achieving your dreams. For those of you who are truly ready to unlock the abundance in your life, subscribing will ensure that you never miss a new video. There's always more to learn, and as we grow together, I'll be here to support you every step of the way. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when new videos are uploaded. Your success is important to me, and I want to continue sharing these powerful tools with you. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Take the first step toward creating a life of abundance. I appreciate your support and look forward to being a part of your continued success. As you leave, remember that the power of this prayer is in your hands. Use it daily, take action, and remain open to the abundance that is already on its way to you. Success is not far off, it's closer than you think. Lastly, I want to express my gratitude for your time. You've chosen to be here, and that decision is one that shows your commitment to attracting greater success and prosperity into your life. Thank you for being part of this amazing space, and I can't wait to see what unfolds for you. Stay positive, stay open, and keep believing in the possibilities that surround you. So, my friend, start today. Say this prayer with belief. Speak it daily, and know that as you do, you are creating a new reality for yourself. The universe is ready to respond to your faith and your actions. You are deserving of all the abundance that life has to offer. Let this prayer be a reminder of your inherent worth and your ability to manifest the wealth and success that is already yours. Stay open, stay positive, and know that prosperity is on its way.